This is our Cam Auto Monster Kit. It comes with a non-pass-through head B7, ergonomically designed, very popular mini lifter. I'll set that off to the side. We have a non-pass-through head, rubber on each side to keep it from clanging, and also give you that nice tug. Very heavy, very industrial. Let's take a look at the bulk of what the kit comes with. 2 bags of glue, a 20 and a 10 pack. It comes with our flat tabs. This is great for working crowns. If you want to hook a ratchet strap in there and glue on the backside and do a lateral tension, you can do that. What I use it for a lot is this angled edge I'll create a little pop. I won't do it all the way down because you can create additional damage. Ask me how I know. But you can get that in there, get your alcohol in, and knock that out. It comes with 5 2-inch flexible tabs, which are hard, durable plastic hooks go into. When you apply these, you'll push on the back side, because if you push on the top of that hook, it creates an uneven glue bed and an uneven glue bond. It comes with 5 1.5 inch and 5.8 inch. It comes with 2 of the 1.5 and 2 inch by 6 inch strips that you'll put these black, strong, durable plastic hooks into, and by doing so, it will pull from the center and then eventually work its way up and give you that nice, even pull. These are what Charlie used to lift the car with. It comes with, I call it our Christmas tree. Hook this on here, you have your rod in, and it pulls uniformly across a longer strip, a longer tab, right? Comes with 2 bags of the plastic hooks. We have a variety pack of our flat tabs. I use these all the time, love these tabs. It comes with our I-bar kit in the wide and the more narrow. And to give you a little illustration of what you can also do with this Christmas tree, not only can you use it to pull uniformly, but if you wanted to, set it on the side and pull back on a quarter and start releasing some of that tension so you can work your crowns and moving a lot of metal. One more thing in addition to this is if you open this up and put glue in between on an edge, you can also have 2 planes of contact, increasing your pulling power. In this kit, we have our textured face tabs, which include a variety of shapes and sizes, and you can see the texture on them right there. And last but not least is we have in this kit 2 single 3D tabs and 2 triple 3D tabs. You can warm these up and bend these wings to conform to the shape of the dent, or you can just simply use it to pull, and these wings will kind of flex and give you more of a grip and move a lot of material. That is our monster kit. Don't be afraid, it doesn't bite. While you're there, check out our glue gun that's specifically designed to be used with our collision glues to give you the most pulling power, and specifically formulated for our glues, formulated for in use with our conjunction with our plastics. Until next time, guys, thanks.